All right, hello and welcome back. Brett here with ClickMill. In this video, we're going to be looking at profile pages. Now, these are going to be super important moving into the future. Now, right now, you can see there's one on this website. Now, what's a profile page? A profile page is like an author bio page or an author profile page. And so, for example, here, and you should be able to come into this and break it down and see what's in here. So you can see author admin at this website. Will actually open it up so you can kind of get an idea for it. And the reason why these are so important now is because Google, with AI coming out, I mean, if you're watching these courses, then you're probably aware that you can generate just a tremendous amount of information with AI. And what Google's doing is they're looking now away from the quality of the content. And, like they're still looking at that, but they're shifting focus over to, did a real person write this and how do we know? So you can see here's the author bio and then a bunch of articles the author's written. Okay. So of course that's my bio. Um, and so the author page is grounding the website essentially in reality. And it's saying, hey, this isn't just a bunch of AI created content. Brett didn't write 347 articles in 20 minutes and then post them all at the same time. Like, look, he's been writing consistently over a span of time of years, and he's an industry expert. And we know because, look, here are his credentials. And that is going to ground the website and increase your ability to rank from an SEO perspective. Okay, so this is profile page. You're going to want a profile page for each of your main contributors to the website to establish your authority and expertise in the eyes of search engines like Google. All right. So with that, that brings us to the end of profile page. In the next video, we're going to go into the site link search box. We'll see you there.